Very good morning, dear children. Dear children, we are on the next topic of our history chapter 3, that is youth in Nazi Germany. So, children, now Hitler, he was very much interested in the youth of the country. As you know, children, the youth of the country is very important. Fine. Now, same way he felt that a strong Nazi society can be established only by teaching the children what ideology Nazis have. So, for this, they required a complete control over the child from inside and outside, physically and mentally. Fine. Now, what was happening in the schools under the Nazism? Now, children, all the schools they were cleansed and purified, which means that all the teachers which were who were Jews and who were considered as politically unreliable, means on whom the Hitler cannot rely, they all were dismissed from the school. The children were segregated between Germans and Jews. They could not sit together, they could not play together, and all the undesirable children and all the Jews, the physically handicapped, the gypsies, they were all thrown out of the schools. And some finally in 1940s, all these childrens they were taken to the gas chambers. I told you the gas chambers. It was a place where a lot of gas was released, and people used to die because of this poisonous gas. Now the good Germans, fine, these children they were going through a process of Nazi schooling. It was a long period of ideological training. Now all the school textbooks they were also rewritten in Nazi ideology. The racial science was introduced just to make sure that all children they learn the Nazi ideas of race and they justify that yes, this is correct. The stereotype, whatever stereotype was there about the Jews, that was popularized, and even in the maths class this all was discussed. Fine. Children they were taught to become loyal and submissive, and they were forced to hate Jews and worship Hitler only. The sports, that was also functioning as a spirit of violence and aggression among the children. They were believed to learn boxing and become iron hearted, strong, and masculine. The youth organizations they are responsible for educating the German youth. Fine. And this was known as the spirit of the National Socialism. Now, whenever a child used to enter the junk walk, means below 14 years of age, that boy has to join the Nazi youth organization, where he is going to learn to worship war, glorify aggression, violence, hate Jews, and all other undesirables. Fine. After this, ideological and physical training, they are going to join the labor service, which is usually at the age of 8 children. Now, there they are going to serve the armed forces and they are going to enter one of the Nazi organization. Fine. Now, children, the Youth League of Nazis was founded in 1922, and 4 years later it was renamed as Hitler Youth. And just to make sure the Nazi control, all other youth organizations were finally banned. Fine. So this was how they were training the youth. Now, children, the Nazi cult of motherhood. Now, what was happening with the ladies? Now, children, first of all, now the children were repeatedly told that women are totally different from men, whereas the world was fighting for equal rights between men and women. Here it was taught to them that this is totally wrong, and if the women are going to get equal right, the society is going to destroy. Boys were told to become aggressive, masculine, brave hearted, and whereas girls were told to become good mothers and just rear the pure blooded Aryan children. Girls have to maintain the purity of the race. They have to distance, means they have to stay away from the Jews, and just they have to look after their homes, and to teach their children all the Nazi values. Fine. And they had to become the bearers of Aryan culture and race. In 1933, Hitler said, "In my state, the mother is the most important citizen," but in the Nazi Germany, they were not treated, the women were not treated at all equally. Fine. Women who were, having undesirable children, they were punished, and those who were producing the desirable children, they were awarded. Fine. The women which were giving birth to the desirable people with desirable children, they were given a special treatment in hospitals, concessions in shops, theatre tickets, railway fares. Just to encourage women to produce more and more children, honors were given. Fine, like a bronze cross was given for 4 children, silver for 6, and gold for 8 or more children. And this was just for the desirable ones. Fine. All the Aryan women, those who are not, continuing the code of conduct, they were severely punished. And those women who were maintaining contact with Jews, Poles, and Russians, they used to parade through the town with their shaved heads, blackened face, and they had placards in their neck announcing that I have saluted the honor of the nation. And many of the ladies, they were sentenced to jail, and they lost their civic honor, as well as their husbands and families were also uh, given punishment for this criminal offense. The art of propaganda, children. Now, what was happening here? The art means the Nazis, they use a different sort of language, and they used to, speak properly, and they used to handle the media with care. How they were doing this? They were never using words like kill or murder, fine, for their official communication. The mass killings were termed as special treatment, final solution for the Jews, or euthanasia for the disabled, selection and disinfection. Evacuation means deporting people to the gas chamber, and the places, the gas chambers, they were known as the disinfection areas, and they were just looking like bathrooms and which have fake shower heads in them. Fine. Now the media was also carefully checked on, and they were also popularizing the Nazi ideas. By different Nazi ideas were spread through different, visual images, films, radio, postcard, slogans, leaflets. Fine. In all the posters, different groups were identified as enemies. The Germans were stereotyped, they were mocked, they were abused, they were described as someone evil in the society. All the socialist liberals, they were, called as weak and degenerated. Fine, they were attacked. Fine. Propaganda was it to create hatred for Jews. Even the films were also being made on all this. Fine. So, children, the Jews were shown as flowing beard, wearing caftans, whereas the Jews were not like that. They looked same like Germans only. So, and they were also called as vermin, rats, and pests. They were compared to the rodents. Now these Nazis, they were playing with the mind of people. They were playing with their emotions. They just wanted hatred and anger for all the undesirable in the heart of the people. So they were making equal efforts. Fine. So just to appeal the different sections of the population. Now the Nazis, they just wanted to win the support of the people. Fine. Because suggesting that Nazis alone could solve their problem. They were saying that we are going to solve all your problems. Fine. So this way they were treating the people. So this was all about today's topic, children. Thank you and have a nice day.